Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Edge Detect in DaVinci Resolve. First, open DaVinci Resolve and import your desired footage into the media pool. Drag your clip onto the timeline and then navigate to the Fusion page. This is where we will apply our effect. Ensure your media is connected to the Media in node, which is the starting point for our visual effects. This easy method will have you detecting edges in no time. Now that we are in the Fusion page, locate the effects library on the top left. In the search bar, type Edge Detect to quickly find the node. Drag this node directly onto the connection line between your Media in 1 and Media out 1 nodes. It will automatically connect, instantly applying a default edge detection to your footage. This is the core step for achieving the effect. With the Edge Detect node selected, head over to the Inspector panel on the right side of your screen. Here, you'll find several parameters to fine-tune the effect. The Edge Width slider lets you control the thickness of the detected lines from very fine to quite bold. Adjust the threshold to determine how prominent the edges appear. You can also change the color of the detected edges to suit your creative vision, offering a wide range of possibilities. To further enhance your edge detection, consider combining it with other Fusion effects. For instance, adding a color corrector node after Edge Detect allows for precise color grading of your edges. You could also use a background node to create a custom color for your detected edges, offering more control than the default settings. Don't be afraid to experiment with different node combinations to achieve truly unique and striking visual styles for your projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.